Every breath holds a moment.
So I'm pretty sure we just arrived in paradise. We were at Tibbers Kauai, and check out this pool. Does it get any better than that? So this morning we have a pretty adventurous day going. We've got a horseback tour at 9, and then after that we're going to come straight back to the hotel, grab some lunch, and then go on a waterfall adventure. So exciting day today. Let's get it started.
Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. There's a stirring in the ocean.
My horse's name is Mr. Bojangles, and Mallory's is Gus Gus. So we got our horses, we're just having on the beach for a second, but beautiful place to take in the scenery here in Kauai. We are doing a private guided waterfall tour right now, where we have waterfalls all to ourselves. So it's gonna be This is literally a jungle paradise. So we just went behind this waterfall, and the view from back there was just pretty incredible. Good morning, guys. Today we are headed to the Napali Coast with Blue Ocean Adventures. So we're gonna be out on a raft, get to snorkel a little bit, and land on a private beach there on the Napali Coast. So we're stoked. Had a pretty wild ride out on our way to the Napali Coast, but the sun has come out. It's not quite as windy here in this cove, and we're about to have some lunch. So this morning we woke up kind of without a plan, so we're back in Poipu looking at the cave where Indiana Jones and a whole bunch of other movies were filmed. So to get into this cave, you have to crawl through a little hole. Mallory's kind of nervous to go first, so I'm gonna get in there, go on the other side, and then we'll film her coming through the cave. So we decided to make the trip up to the North Shore to see Hanalei, but unfortunately the weather is not cooperating with us.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the Kauai vlog. The last about day or so that we were there wasn't super conducive for filming or really exploring it all. So we enjoyed the pool a little bit and kind of just took advantage of the amenities at the resort. I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you'd like to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and happy travels.